I kind of bucket things into three groups. The product group, right? Did I want to be more macro? Do I want to be more micro?
Mm-hmm.
You know, the way somebody put it to me one day is like, if you were to pick up and read the Wall Street Journal, would you read an article about Chinese GDP, or would you read an article about Apple earnings first? I was like, well, probably the article about Apple earnings. So I'm like, okay, so then you probably want to be more micro.
Mm-hmm.
Then the next thing was kind of the people, is like who were like the culture, right? Who of the group, like where did I see myself succeeding? What did I want to be part of? What's the culture that I wanted to be brought up in?
Mm-hmm.
And then the third thing is, you know, who are the people in this business that I can see myself wanting to emulate? Who are the people that I want to grow up to be like? Who are the people that I want to train me? And when I saw that in the high yield desk, I mean, it was a no-brainer. Like I left Goldman 5 years ago, and I'm sure if you ask those guys now, like, it's like I'm still there because I'm still talking to them each and every day. These are just people that have just shaped my life and impacted my life so much that I wouldn't be anywhere where I am today without them. And, you know, I still go to them, and if I need questions or if I have questions about life things or career things, you know, they're always some of the first people that I go to. So when you think about product, people, and kind of where you want to evolve to in your career, that's how I kind of narrowed it all down.